Today's recipe is caramel banana muffins. Okay, we're going to take our flour and we're going to add our baking powder, our salt, and some cinnamon. And we're going to stir that all together. And we'll stir this until it's all incorporated. In a separate bowl, we'll take our oil, and our brown sugar, and some sour cream. You could use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Our eggs, some milk, and we're going to stir this all together. Now these muffins, they're great for breakfast. They're also great as a treat. They're super moist, almost like a cupcake. Now once this is all mixed together, we're going to add our mashed ripe bananas. Now if you don't have ripe bananas, you can always ripen them in the oven beforehand. But you want your bananas quite ripe. We'll stir that in. And then we're going to take our dry ingredients and we're going to fold that into these wet ingredients. And we just want to fold it until there's no flour seen. We don't want to overmix it. You could always add some nuts if you like to this as well. Chocolate chips. Now we'll put this in our muffin tin. So we'll take a scoop and we'll put about a quarter of a muffin tin in, quarter of the way. We're going to do some layering of this muffin. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of our caramel sauce. I spray my spoon so that the caramel comes off a lot easier, so it doesn't get stuck to the spoon. So add about a teaspoon or so on top of your batter. If your caramel sauce is too thick, you can always heat it up in the microwave to make it a little bit more workable. Alright, now once we have our caramel sauce on top, we're going to just take a toothpick and swirl it around into our batter. Then we're going to add more batter on top and some more caramel and then some more batter. And we'll put this in a 400-degree oven for 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn it down to 350 and bake for another 15 minutes until
if you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below.
Enjoy.
Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.